Hey everybody, welcome back to IP Farms. Well, it's another beautiful day here on the farm. Today's Saturday, October the 16th. Didn't get to work up here last Saturday. It was raining and overcast. We went to the junkyard and the scrap yard, showed you a video of that. My buddy's back with me today, so I got him on the loader. We're gonna work down here along the pond where the hydraulic lines blew out. Got those fixed and back going, so we're gonna see what we can get into today. Just trying to mix it up a little bit. I know I've had several videos working on Grandpa's truck. Like I said, we had some rain, and I've just decided I'm not going to mess around down here in the fields until these bees are gone. The cold temperatures are coming, so they should start dying out pretty quick. I hope to finish up the nest that got me, I think tonight. Actually, I'm gonna get some gas on them, but you know, I know it's silly to everybody, but my phobia with the bees, I'm just not gonna chance it. You know, it is what it is. It won't be but another couple of weeks and they'll be gone anyway with the temperatures, so we're gonna roll on and see what happens. Hopefully we don't hit any more today. If we do, you know, we found the nest last time, but that was not gonna deter us from what we're doing today, hopefully. So try to get some more trees moved. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try to move some dirt today or just keep clearing and push some stuff up in here. But we'll bring you along for a little bit of it. I'm not sure how the footage will be like normal, but let's get started and see what we can do. Okay, well, if you can hear me, I'm on the loader. Buddy went home. Haven't got a whole lot of footage today. We just been going, trying to get the trees off this side here. So I'll put you on some high speed and we'll finish pushing up what we got cut down so far. Probably gonna call it a day. It's starting to rain right now. But let's see if we can clean this mess up right quick. Okay, everybody, we're gonna wrap this one up and call it a video. Not real sure how the content turned out. Didn't do as much filming today as I usually do. Just trying to go cat go and get everything done as much as we could. My buddy left a little bit early today, so I got on the loader. Got you a few clips there. We got that area cleaned up. I'm tickled with that. I stayed late today and went ahead and got all the trees down in that particular area that I wanted to. So now all we've got to do is dig some of the dirt out. I'm not sure if you can tell on the camera or not, the incline there, but there's quite a bit of dirt that can come out of there. You know, the little loader does good for clearing. It's not that great at moving dirt, so it's going to be a slow process, but I'm really trying to get that finished up before the rain sets in. I'm going to try to put some dirt down there in the bottom land in that low area and try to get it tilted where it'll drain out and not hold quite as much water as it does. I mean, it's got to be better than what it is now, so kill two birds with one stone there. Hope you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing if you hadn't already. You know, hit the thumbs up button if you like what you see. Thumbs down, I understand it's not for everybody. Share the videos, get them out there. Might be somebody else interested in a little bit of this I'm doing here. Daunting task, but we're getting there. Just kind of jumping around. We found another yellow jacket's nest today right down there where we were. It was far enough away that didn't really interfere with us, but you know, biding my time and crossing my fingers that Mother Nature will take over. I'm going to take care of the other ones probably tonight, and that I know where they are, and you know, we just have to wait on some cooler weather. So projects in the shop, stuff I need to work on, clearing on Saturdays with my buddies here. I might try to move some dirt myself this week. If I do, I'll bring you along for it. Till next time, thank you.